Okay, this towel actually changed how fast my hair dries. Look how much it absorbed. First, wait, feel this. It's like a cloud, but make. This is the hotel fold that actually requires 2 towels and it looks insane. So we're gonna take the big towel, lay it down, you're gonna fold.
That ad you just watched, I made that in 10 minutes. No agency, no team, no brief, just me, this product link, and this tool. This is Higgsfield New Marketing Studio. It's powered by Seedance 2.0, the best AI for video production I've ever seen. And it just killed the 30,000 creative agency model. It's generally the first end-to-end AI ad production workflow that I've used that actually works. You paste in one product click and it builds for you 9 complete ad formats from UGC, TV spot, unboxing, virtual try-on, hypermotion, and many more. And here's the part that actually blew my mind. The same product looked very consistent in every single video and had very realistic physics for all my ads. I'm going to show you the entire workflow right now. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do this for your brand, your product, and go viral on social media. If you're running ads, you're building a brand, or just want to see where AI is for video production, stick around, and this one's really worth your time. Welcome to Higgsfield Marketing Studio. It's the best place for you to create your ads. I'm going to start with the pre-built prompt for one of the templates below, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the right avatar for it. So we see they have a list of characters that are both male and female. Most of them look like models, and they're very photogenic for sure. So this will make sure our ad goes viral on the first attempt. We're going to go ahead and we're going to choose our first model. In this case, I'm going to choose May, and I'm going to create our new product. Since this product that we want to try does not have an online store yet, I'm just going to upload 2 images of the towels that we have. So this product belongs to a good friend of mine, and it's called Memory Life Towels. So we can see that the Higgsfield Marketing Studio has already created a description by itself on what the towel is supposed to be. I think that some parts of the description is not really correct, but it has got most of it right. So we're just going to adjust it and modify it and add core characteristics of the product, such as the product is super soft, and then it's good for sensitive skin, and product is super comfortable for people with sensitive skin, right? And so once this whole information and details has been uploaded, then we're going to go ahead and press create. Once we have created a product, we're going to match it with the avatar, and we're going to see and read to make sure that the whole prompt is perfectly okay. Sounds good. Now we're going to go ahead and hit generate. Once it has generated, it usually takes time to create the video, but I'm just going to speed it up. Now let us look at the video created.
Wait,
feel the logo is there.
It's like a cloud, but make it a towel. Why does a towel feel like this? I cannot stop doing this. This is genuinely the most satisfying thing I own right now.
Well, in my opinion, it looks very nice. So we're going to go ahead and try the same prompt, but with a different model this time. This time, I'm going to try it with my face. So I'm just going to enter my name, Jay. And then this is a bunch of images. So other tools allow you to upload many images at once. But in the Higgsfield Marketing Studio, one image itself is enough. And I'm going to show you the kind of amazing quality it generates. So I'm going to choose this picture of mine. And as it uploads, we're going to use the exact same prompt, but we're going to customize it a little bit, right? So after we have this, after we have the character uploaded, we're going to select it, and then we're going to copy the existing prompt that we have, and we're going to show it to my good friend Claude, right? So we're just going to copy the whole thing. We're going to paste it in Claude, and then we're going to tell Claude to make a few changes. The most important change it needs to do is that it needs to know that this prompt is for a guy and the prompt is for me. So after I say it's for a guy, I need to tell what my post looks like. And instead of just writing it, I'm just going to upload the same picture of mine and tell it to customize the video generation prompt for this person with this post. Claude is actually very good for prompt engineering, right? And so we're going to be using Claude a lot in this video, side by Higgsfield. So we're going to be using Claude for generating the prompts, and we're going to be using Higgsfield Seedance 2.0 in the Marketing Studio to generate the video afterwards. These two make sure that the quality is good enough and is worth it for our ads. So we're going to copy the whole thing, except the part below where it mentions a little bit about the avatar and the product. We don't really need that. So we're going to copy the whole thing, and I think the bottom part does not really look good. I don't like that in the previous video. So I'm just going to change this part. Instead of that's it, this is the review. We need to consider like different CTA for the video, right? Whether we want it for awareness, consideration, or just direct conversion. I'm going to use softest towel I own. So we're going to make it really about awareness. So people are aware that this towel is of high quality and is super soft. Then we're going to hit generate and we're going to see the quality of results produced. Now I was shocked when I saw how easy it was to generate the videos, and
Wait, feel this.
yeah, it was pretty good.
It's like a cloud, but make it a towel. Why does a towel feel like
Oh,
this?
the crunch looks nice.
I cannot stop doing this. This is genuinely the most satisfying thing I own right now.
See, the hand movement and everything looks
Softest towel I
exactly
own.
the same, right? But it does not sound like me, so I'm going to try to change the voice. Okay, so changing the voice requires an additional cost, but then we're going to try the different voice
I am
models
Roman.
already there.
I'm Mabel. I'm Imogen.
Going to find something more
I'm
Indian.
Killian. Hello, I'm Arthur. I am Andre.
Yeah, I think Leo is
I'm
pretty
Neil.
good, right?
Think
So we're
of
going
me
to
as
change
the
the
guy
voice
who's actually played
and
the
try
game.
it and hope
My
it
sound is
sounds
casual,
more
a little
like
bit
me.
deadpan.
So we're going to try this to make sure we can create UGC at scale. Let's see the video.
Wait, feel this. It's like a cloud, but make it a towel. Why does a towel
this is
feel
too
like
far
this?
off. This sounds
cannot
nothing
stop
like
doing
me, but
this.
maybe
This
more
is
like the
genuinely
character that we have
softest
just
towel I own.
created.
Wait, feel this.
Okay, so we have tried creating. Now let's try from an Amazon product. Here I have an Amazon product for a beer collection of caps. I'm just going to copy the link and bring it back to Higgsfield, and then I'm going to try to generate a video. I do not know yet what kind of video looks good, so I'm just going to hit the wildcard and see what is the wildest thing that this tool can actually imagine for a beer cap collection. I myself, I don't know what kind of review video I'm going to make, right? So let the wildcard decide, and let's see whether the quality is actually up to the standard or not. Oh wow! Oh, this is pretty good. We're gonna try with another product. Let's try with an espresso machine. Okay, so we're just gonna find it, and yeah, it looks good. So we're gonna copy the product link and go to URL to add, and we're just gonna paste it. And this magical feature just takes the whole product description, takes images of the product, takes different views of the product. But let's actually test on how good this whole tool is. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try with unboxing, because I didn't find a picture of the box, right? So we can see if the AI is creative enough or not to imagine what the box would look like and what the unboxing process of an espresso machine would be. So we're going to go ahead and press generate video. Okay, I'm as excited as you are for what the kind of quality that it generates, because let's look. Okay, we see a girl with a box.
Wait,
What's that?
this is the Virtuo Next. Matte black is gorgeous. Coffee and espresso, 6 sizes.
Hey, look, it looks weird. You see
Matte
how she's
black
carrying
is
the
gor-
machine
This is the Virtuo Next.
on her hand there?
Matte
I mean, that's
black
not
is
how you carry
gorgeous.
a.
Coffee and espresso,
I think she
6
got like the
sizes.
whole size of it
Wait.
wrong. Like the size keeps changing.
This is
First
the
it was
Virtuo
big,
Next.
and then the
Matte
box
black
also
is
changes.
gorgeous. Coffee and
Yeah, I think the size of an espresso machine is not
espresso,
that.
6 sizes.
So okay, so what we see is that for some items it's pretty good, and some items it's so-so, right? So what we're gonna do is, I think, from all the videos that I have seen, it's for us to brainstorm on what kind of items do we want to create for today. So we see there's a lot of avatars that we can play with, and I think of all the items that we can experiment with, I think our towels is still best. So we see the different dimensions there is, and I think we can download them, we can publish, we can share them easily. So let us just explore the features. We can share to Twitter, WhatsApp, Pinterest, LinkedIn. We can also publish it easily. We can download so that we can upload it to other platforms. Okay, everything is clear. I'm going to go ahead and start my new project and just focus on towels. Okay, we're going to create 9 ads of only towels and see how good of a quality we can get. For towels, I think it's more of a woman product that they buy on a more regular basis and they give to people. So I'm just going to call it Memory Life Towels as the project name, so that we can make sure all our images are as good. Then we're going to download as many images of this product that we can. And remember that Higgsfield Marketing Studio only allows 5 images of your product, so you better choose well, right? So I've already uploaded the 5 images, and then I'm going to tell that it's for soft towels. In the description section, I'm going to add as many colors as I can, because I want the videos that we generate to be a bit variant and to be a bit different from one another. So we're going to experiment with different colors. And then we're going to see the product description. We're going to add as much details as we can. For example, the softness, and then for sensitive skin, for allergens. And this is good because the AI that we're going to use to create these videos is going to use all this information when creating the video. For the first one, we're going to make sure that we choose the right product, which is soft towels with as many images. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring Claude to the side so that we can do pair programming of sort. Right? So we're going to have Claude generate for us the prompts, and then we're going to use Higgsfield to generate for us the video. So on the prompt side, we're going to say that I'm Higgsfield Marketing Studio, and then I need your help to generate the prompt. And then what we're going to do is we're going to copy the prompt from one of the reference videos. We're going to upload the image of the products that we have. And then we're also going to screenshot the character of the person who's going to be in the video. So for this case, it's going to be Scarlett. So I'm going to screenshot and upload her to Claude to make the product as relevant to her. I want the towels that we're going to use in the video to be well suited for her skin tone. Otherwise, it'll look a bit too weird, right? And then we're going to tell that we're going to use different type of CTAs, and we're going to specify what kind of content type and what do we expect. Because I have noticed that if we have a reference prompt, it generates much better quality. So now it has generated for us like a bunch of prompt. We're going to copy it, make sure we use the right product, right avatar, and hit generate. Okay, and then we're going to wait for it to load the video a bit. And because I feel from my own experimentation with this tool that if you give a reference prompt from an existing video, you're able to get much better ad quality items. So now when we're creating for UGC, for example, we're going to make sure that we choose the right character, right avatar for UGC, and we're going to reuse a prompt from another UGC template that has already existed. This way we're able to train Claude on what kind of outputs do we expect, right? So we're going to copy the new prompt, and then we're going to make sure that it's using the right color of items when we are creating it. Then in parallel, we can create about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, as many videos as we want. Hit us download. Let's see the video.
Okay, so I just got out of the shower and I need to talk about this towel. Wait, why does this feel like a cloud?
It's
called a croffle towel. Look at this texture. My skin is literally so sensitive and this hasn't irritated me once. And the color? Sakura, obviously.
Yeah, I feel like the video looks really good on her, right? So I think like the quality is pretty good. We're going to fast forward things, and I'm going to create 9 ad videos, and I'm going to show you exactly the results. The most important thing that I realized was about packaging, right? So what was the game changer was I actually took a few images of the product that in the packaging from the e-commerce marketplace and other product reviews. I took real product images and then I uploaded to Higgsfield so that to make it look like the unboxing is more realistic. So we can see with the latest male influencer that the unboxing package had lots of details regarding the product, and that made everything super different. So this is our little experiment, and now let us explore the results.
Okay, so I just got out of the shower and I need to talk about this towel. Wait, why does this feel like a cloud? It's called a croffle towel. Look at this texture. My skin is literally so sensitive and this hasn't irritated me once. And the color? Sakura, obviously. Link is in my bio. You're welcome. Okay, I need to talk about this towel because I genuinely didn't think it would make a difference. My skin is really sensitive and most towels just irritate it after a shower. This one is so soft. I actually looked up what it's made of. I have the linen color and honestly, it just looks good in my bathroom too. I take it everywhere now. Gym, travel, doesn't matter. I've used this apricot croffle towel for a month, still so soft, even after lots of washes. It dries fast, feels gentle on sensitive skin, and the loop makes it easy to hang and dry. This is the hotel fold that actually requires 2 towels and it looks insane. So we're gonna take the big towel, lay it down, you're gonna fold the bottom quarter up, and then you're gonna fold it back down. Then you're gonna flip the towel over, you're gonna fold the sides in, you're gonna tuck one side under the other so you have a little pocket. Then you're gonna take your little hand towel or your washcloth, you're gonna fold it in half, and then you're gonna tuck it in the little pocket. How cute is that?
Okay, wow. This is actually beautiful. It feels really refined, like nothing extra, just clean, perfect details.
Okay, this towel actually changed how fast my hair dries. Look how much it absorbed. First scrush, no harsh rubbing, just wrap and done. My old towel would take like 3 rounds. This one, once. Link in bio, your hair will thank you.
Feel everything.
You see that? The quality is just insane. I'm going to apply it to all my brands right away. The link to try Higgsfield Marketing Studio is in the description below. It's the first link you'll see. Go ahead and paste a product link there and see what it spits out. It takes maybe about 10 minutes and you have 9 ad formats ready to go. If this was useful, subscribe. I cover AI tools and automation workflows like this every week. You don't want to be the last person finding out about all this cool stuff. So see you in the next one.